Greetings, welcome to the Smartphone Wealth YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the Gamma Network. The Gamma Network is not just an advanced e-wallet, it's a thriving cryptocurrency community app. It boasts cutting-edge security, seamless transactions, and a vibrant community. But what sets it apart? The ability to earn G tokens, which qualify you for airdrops on the Gamma Network. Intrigued? Good, because we're about to guide you through every step of mining free G tokens. Stay tuned. You might be wondering, why mine with Gamma Network? Well, it's simple. The Gamma Network mining app is incredibly safe to use. It respects your smartphone's CPU power, not consuming or draining it unnecessarily. Plus, it doesn't copy or export your phone data. And here's the best part. It's all community-driven. That's right, a network driven by individuals just like you. With these benefits in mind, let's delve into the process of mining G tokens. Ready to mine G tokens? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, let's get the Gamma Network app on your device. You'll find the link to download it in the description below this video. Tap on that link and it will take you directly to the right place. Install the app and you're now one step closer to your G tokens. Next, you'll need to open the app. You'll be greeted by an intuitive interface, designed to make your experience smooth and enjoyable. Now it's time to create your account. You'll need to register using your email address. Don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process. Once you've entered your email, you'll receive a verification message. Simply verify your email and voila, your account is all set. Now, onto the fun part. You'll notice an invitation code in the description below. Copy that code and paste it into the app. This code is your golden ticket to 5 free G tokens. That's right, 5 G tokens, absolutely free, just to get you started. Finally, to kickstart your mining journey, all you need to do is tap the Gamma icon in the app, and there you have it. You're now mining G tokens right from your smartphone. And just like that, you've started mining G tokens. Congratulations on taking your first step into the world of G tokens. If you're still unsure or have questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments section. We're here to help. If you found our guide useful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Smartphone Wealth YouTube channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Gamma Network. Remember, technology should be for everyone. So, go ahead, download the app, and embrace a decentralized future together.